Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Justiceof and welcome to a new video on Business Central. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Delete Invoice Purchase Order feature, which is in my opinion one of the most important features in Business Central, especially if you're one of those businesses that deals a lot with purchase orders, inventory, stock management, and all of those stuff. So why do you want to actually delete invoice purchase orders? Well, first because you want to keep your purchase order list clean, and also because you want to preserve your invoice PO in the purchase order archive. So let's get going. First, what you're going to do, click on the search bar and search for purchase orders and go on to the list. So here you will be able, okay, sorry, that was the wrong one. So it is purchase orders. Okay, here we go. So here you'll be able to have access to all of the purchase orders that have been created in the past. If you want a different view, click on here and let's just say you want it in descending order and so on. So you have all the purchase orders that have been created here. Now, if you want to check whether a purchase order has been invoiced completely, you can click on it. For instance, let's just go ahead and see for this one, click on it, and then you scroll down to look at the lines in the orders. And if you scroll to the right, you will see so the quantity here is 50 and the quantity that have been received is 50. So this means that the invoice has been done. So this purchase order has been completed. And you can also see all other details related to the purchase order here. So let's just say you want to delete that specific or other purchase orders that have already been invoiced completed. You go ahead and click on the action up here, click on function, and you will see the option to delete invoice orders. Now, when you click on that, you will be able to add other information pertaining to the different purchasing orders that you want to delete. So for instance, if you want to add the number of the purchase order here or other details, you can go ahead add those. Now you can also choose to leave this space blank. And what this will do is this will make the system delete all of your purchase orders that have actually already been invoiced and completed. So it's like a big cleanup that you're doing in your Business Central. So for this example, we are going to go ahead and do that, and you can just go ahead and click OK, and the system will automatically remove all of the purchase orders that have been completed. Now, those deleted purchase orders are not completely lost because you can always go back to find them. And how you do that is click on the search up here and search for purchase order archives. So in this archive here, you will be able to see all of your previous POs that have been deleted. You can choose to look for them using the search up here and do other analysis as you wish. So this is how you go about to deleting your POs that have already been invoiced and completed, but also rest assured that you are not going to lose them forever as they are going to be stored in the archive. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.